Hello, Roy Spear, Equity Source Mortgage, your Maple Grove mortgage lender. Common question asked, what's your rate? We assume you mean, what's your interest rate? And the response to the question comes in many different ways. Interest rates is essentially the cost of credit for a varying type of loan. And there's different interest rates for different types of loans. On the surface, the shorter maturity loans, a 10-year, a 15-year, a 20-year loan, typically is going to come with a lower interest rate, assuming other parameters are known or in place, and that is, you need to know credit score. You need to know the loan versus the value of what you're borrowing against. Is it a house that you live in? Is it a lake home? Is it a non-owner occupied home or an investment property? So when those questions come in, what's your rate? What I assume is that for the loan, what I assume you're asking is that the loan that fits you, what's your rate? If you're asking, Roy or Equity Source, I assume that what you mean is, are you competitive? And our position as a broker and as a smaller company with smaller overhead, would be yes, both in the area of fees and interest rates. We are.